What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going over Gala games. Currently sitting at 0.0419, up 0.89 on the day. Same market cap of 287 million. 24-hour volume 126 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitkit, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit, up to 30K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Let's hop into the charts. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. Nice reaction from our wave 2 pullback zone, which we signaled in the Discord and talked about in yesterday's video. So if we can hold a pullback here, if this is your wave 1, we can hold a pullback, hold the EMA, see continuation. And this correction can be complete for Gala. Of course, if we break down and we create a new low, then you'd be looking at an ABC correction. It all depends if we can hold a pullback and see continuation and come up and break these highs. We are in a Gala long trade, which we got in down here at about 0.0375, which I gave a signal for in the Discord. We pretty much sniped the bottom of this move, and we've been riding it up. It's only 10 bucks a month for my signals, same price as a Big Mac meal with the drink. So definitely recommend checking it out. Daily time frame, we're holding the 20 EMA. As I've been mentioning, we need to get back above this EMA, see the bullish cross if we are going to see continuation. If we do come down, watch for a potential double bottom, but what we want to see is we hold this pullback zone right here and then see continuation to the upside. So far it's looking good, but as I mentioned, if we do create a lower low, then it's simply an ABC correction down into the yellow box before seeing potential continuation. But if we can hold the EMAs here, we see continuation, we break that high, then we can push up to wave 3. Let me quickly give the target for that. If the low is in, then your wave 3 target will be all the way up here at 0.051, which would be extremely juicy in my opinion, especially for my long trade, which I gave a signal for in the Discord. Sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit, grab those bonuses, email me or sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, trade signals, crypto news, which I post regularly. Members like to post their profits in here, as you can see. My HODL all plays, it's all coming in for 10 bucks a month. Sign up through the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.